Westerly winds are in charge, and it's a rather changeable story onwards through the weekend and even beyond. This is your fleeting view from MWIS. Here's Friday's chart, and we've got those westerlies which will be gale force much of the day across the Scottish mountains and near gale force across the tops of northern England, and a blustery day even across Wales through Friday daytime. We've got fronts and troughs drifting in from the west to bring some frequent rain, particularly across the western side of Scotland, which will also spread increasingly to northern England through the afternoon. Here's the sequence for the day then. This is 3-hour accumulations of rain, and it shows how most of England and Wales start off largely dry. One or two early bits of showers coming in from the west, but rain already on the go across much of western Scotland, and some showers spreading eastwards, that increasingly so through the morning to the middle of the day. Across the south of Scotland, that rain pushing eastwards as well, but it's really into the afternoon when the Lake District and the Pennines start to see that showery rain just setting in for something more constant, particularly across those western fells in the Lake District where some heavy bursts of rain are likely to be around. And in those heavier showers across Scotland and across northern England as well, the chance of an isolated rumble of thunder from just the odd heavier shower that is around, the exception rather than the rule in terms of thunder for the day, but just one to be aware of. And showery rain will push further even into North Wales increasingly late on in the day. Those showers continue overnight, particularly around western coasts into Saturday morning, and that idea of some rain still being around in the forecast, particularly across the west, is the theme for Saturday daytime too. The chart for Saturday looks like that, and it's still a blustery day. The winds may be not quite gale force, but they'll be pretty close to it, especially early in the morning. We've got that general westerly flow, so the western hills and mountains most plagued by rain and low cloud, somewhat drier toward the east, things not quite as unstable, so the showers generally not as heavy, but still some persistent rain on some of those western hills, and that may just fill in a bit more as the next fronts start to drift in, particularly through the afternoon into the evening time. By Sunday, what's left of those fronts is draped across central and southern parts of England and Wales. It could lead to a rather poor day in some places here, where the winds are dropping light and that rain will struggle to clear, and a few heavier showers maybe just following on the back edge of that across northern England. But for Scotland, as a ridge of high pressure builds from the west, one or two scattered showers at first should fade for a dry and bright day, with cloud bases lifting, the winds much lighter compared to previous day, but still temperatures a little bit on the chilly side. We'll have more details for the next week to 10 days in the full planning outlook updated on Friday. I'll leave you with that though for today. Thanks for watching.